Hello YouTube. Today we have a handmade leather scout carry sheath for the Ken Onion Ketuo Buckhorn that was a winner at Blade Show, I believe, maybe a couple years ago. I don't remember when, but somebody in one of my EDC groups on Facebook has been posting about Ken Onion appreciation. So I'm definitely going to have to use the words Ken Onion appreciation when I post this in that group. But I keep learning more about the wet molding process. I need to learn how to make the back look as good as the front. I made some mistakes, but there she is. The Ken Onion Ketuo Buckhorn custom fit wet molded sheath. And as always, YouTube, thanks for listening.